Hey everybody, thanks for joining us for another amazing adventure of Adventure Joe. We are currently on the Appalachian Trail. We're going to do a lot of exploring this weekend and we got a lot of cool stuff to show you and to teach you. So if you've got your adventure hat on and you're ready to go, let's get this adventure started. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about what happens when you get lost. The very first thing that you should do is not panic. Find landmarks, like this waterfall behind me. You'll have a better idea of where you are and your location, and it's harder for you to get more lost than you already are. Another thing you need to keep in mind when hiking is if you are on a trail and you happen to get separated from your group, do not get off the trail. That's a great way to just get lost. So keep stock of where you are, stay on the trail. If you do happen to hear an animal out in the woods and it makes you nervous and you get scared, the best way to handle that is by making a noise yourself. You're going to scare away any animals in the immediate area, and you're going to help other people looking for you find you. Can you find a Minnesota tea? Did you see her? One of the plants you do need to worry about, and not everybody's allergic to, but a lot of people are, is poison ivy. You can identify poison ivy by its 3 leaves and its sharp corners. This is what poison ivy looks like. Make sure to let everyone know where you're going. Let a friend know that you're about ready to go hiking in the woods. That way, in case something happens, they know where to look for you. Because you can get hurt when you're out in the woods. Traveling by yourself can be scary, so make sure you carry a friend. I like having Minnesota tea with me. She keeps me company. She's funny, and she's a lot of fun to hang around with. Now, when you are lost, it's important to find shelter. So what you should do is hug a tree and be like tea. Those are just a few tips to make sure that you stay safe in the woods in case you get separated. So we're waiting for him. We just got done going for a little hike along the Appalachian Trail, and there were some ticks out there. So now I have to check Atlas for ticks. Come here, buddy. And he was eating some grass. We've got to take a look at his gums. Make sure that no ticks got in there. Looks good. Check his paws. Make sure there's no ticks underneath his feet. Yep, there's one. See? And this is why you gotta check in between their toes. Oh, see? One right there. Gross. Come here, bud. We gotta check your other one. Yeah, but I'm just... I know, bud. You don't lick it. Just spreading out his toes. Make sure none got in there. We did get one out. All right, stand up. Check under the bellies. Check him, his armpits, chest. Look underneath his collar. Pat him down. Look good. Getting close. And last but not least, got, oh, yep.
Oh no.
That one's working its way in. But we got them. These things suck. I hate them. Gross. Hopefully we don't find any more.
In order to avoid ticks, you're gonna want to use long pants and socks that you can bring up around the bottom of your pant leg. You're going to want to wear dark clothing. You are going to want to use a repellent that contains DEET. The most important thing after being in the woods or playing outside, if you live in a wooded area, is to make sure that when you're done playing, you come inside and you get your mom or dad to check you for ticks.
All right, ticks by T. Well, it's been an incredible week here in the Smoky Mountains. It's absolutely gorgeous. The mountains are beautiful. We're standing here waiting for sunset to try and capture the most beautiful picture. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I'd love to have you all back here. Always remember to keep chasing your dreams. Life is an adventure, so go out and live it.